explore Instacart's in-app coupons.
So to explore Instacart's in-app coupons, within the app, navigate to the promos and coupons section to discover manufacturers' coupon and store-specific promotions. These discounts are automatically applied when you add eligible items to your cart. Look out for special deals like buy one get one and stock up and save offers, which can provide significant savings in your orders. Next is to utilize verified promo code websites. So there are a bunch of websites. Let me provide you with coupons.com, CNN Coupons, with Thrift, and Slick Deals. Always ensure that the promo codes are valid and applicable to your order before using them. We also have subscribe to deal alerts and newsletter. Stay informed about the latest Instacart deals by subscribing to newsletter and deal alerts from trusted sources just like the Crazy Coupon Lady, coupons.com, and Simply Codes. Last advice is that apply promo codes correctly. To ensure your promo codes are applied successfully, in the app you should go to your account, then select credits, promos, and gift cards. Tap on redeem and enter the code and tap redeem again. On the website, you should click on your account, choose add promo or gift, enter the code and click redeem. And that is all on how to find the best coupon and tips for the Instacart app in 2025. Thank you.